Hey guys and girls, welcome to the video. This is a Warrior Cast video. A game of online, only I think for mobile and iPad, Android and the App Store. On iPads I have them. Starcoin Ancestor. Hello player, can you hear me? Yes. Great, you have a strong connection with StarClan. You are here to train for your journey. I'll tell you how to interact with the world around the world you and affect the story. From time to time, you'll get a choice how to run or act, like at the beginning. I played the game before. It's hard to talk. The consequences will be more served. You'll be able to rewind. Yes, you can by saving. You will never have to start over or load the safe file, so be careful. Oh, there's a ball in the left corner. That's your inventory, which you're barely using it. That's your inventory, which you'll find items that you can use in the game. Tap the paw to open and close your inventory. Choose an item to use it. Think carefully. A strong choice will impact the story. I'll give you 2 stars. 2 items are added in your inventory. You'll find them. Yes. Click the red one. Hold on. You ready? Unless you have a question. When a warrior of the forest dies, the spirit leaves to join StarClan. Heavily StarClan. At night, we talk into our living clan makes for their dreams by helping and leaving signs. Members of the StarClan may send special cats like medicine cats and their apprentice leaders, and warriors may get a sign too. I won't tell you my name for now. Is everything clear? Then it's time to wake up in the forest. The smell of medical herbs with scent has become so familiar to me. When I was a kid, I used to love to visit Blueberry's pelt. Is that a real cat or an OC cat? Let me know in the comments. In her cave, who would be setting herbs up? Wait a minute. Pelt told me to clean up the cave. Did I fall asleep? Open your eyes. Oh no. I fell asleep while working and slept until sun high. He slept all day. A whole day. Finally, you're awake. I got a minute. Your combustulus. I don't know. I'll give you a literature. Well, sure, I'm not sure. But you have been working a lot lately. If you hadn't no sleep, I'll give you a task. Browntail's having stomach aches, and we're at Jumper. Go gather some. As soon as you find more herbs, bring them as well. We can't let green leaf go in vain. Got it. I'll bring back as much as I can carry. Survival science. It's my brother who came in here. Got it. Bring it back as much as you can. As much as I can carry. Go to the forest. Let's start at the river. Look around. There's nothing here. Look at the grass. Let's look. Found it. It was added to your inventory. Okay. There was nothing there in the nearby bushes. What kind of berries? I know what kind of berries they are. I want to see if the chat knows. And then make a video. Jumper. Let's not head back yet. Because you need to go to every area. That's why I like them. Look at the log, there's nothing there. Look in the bushes, nothing there. Let's look. We got a spider. Hello, spider. I'm scared of spiders. It was added to your inventory. Tall grass. There's nothing there. Return the map. Let's head back to camp. I have everything. Show me. Show me. Show me. Show me. Not yet. No. Those are death barrels. We don't need them for sure. Oh, crap. How could I confuse them? Hey, drugs? How could you confuse them? Drugs? It could cost your life and not only you. Throw them away right now. Wash your paws. Everything you touched. Did you get that free berries? Can kill a grown cat. One will be enough for a kitten. And that's how Broken Tail died. Oh, Broken Tail, whatever. Even babies know that. I'm ashamed. Sorry. Sorry, Blueberry Pope. I was told about them when I was a kid. This isn't my first time seeing death berries. How could I confuse them with medicine and even pick them up? I didn't even know what death berries were, so I picked them up right off the bat when I first played this. I guess I've been dreaming a lot. I didn't even know what they looked like. That's why I want to watch a cartoon for Warrior Cats. I don't understand what even any cats look like. You actually have to watch a cartoon, and then you have to read the books. You understand what they look like. Is that all you brought? Yes, that is it. I'm worried about Shining Taylor's coffee. I can remove the book. Auntie Patrol is coming back with fresh kills. Here to eat something and go pick up fleas at the elders. They always take care, but she never rests. She is going to give birth soon, so Berry Pelt doesn't leave her alone for too long. That's why she told me to bring so many herbs. Alright, I won't be late for lunch. Titball. I think it would be Tisselball would be better. Because it was hard to pronounce his name when I did it. Hi, sis. Or Tint Paul. Yeah, I think it's Tint Paul. How your medicine cat thingy going? That's not a sentence. Everything going good. I managed to clean the medicine cat cave and got some herbs. Blueberry Pole let me have a lunch break, and you, Foxtail, and I have already practiced interviewing. After that, we went hunting. By the way, there's so much fresh kill today. The whole clan can eat up. Actually, I read part 1 of the first series, Prophecies Begin, part 1 and part 3. I skipped part 2. I know everything happened in part 2. That's important. But I also know this. Firestar died at 96 moons from wounds. Gray Stripe died at 106 moons. 106 moons. The Gray Stripe lived longer than Firepaw because Firepaw had attacked Tiger Claw but died from the wounds. well, Tiger Star, but Tiger Star came victorious. But Gray Stripe was longer because he didn't fight at all. And then you have like cats that live like 130 years, like 130 moons, like squirrel flight and all that. And like the old generation died, there came the new generation. Like when Firestar died, then like Gray Stripe, I noticed like that's going in a row of the new, well, the old ones. And Blue Star died somehow, I don't know. Let's go and you'll see for yourself. Hey, not Paul. That is when I first did this, I'm like, oh, are we in River Clan? Well, we're not by the river. Are we in Thunder Clan? Are we in Shadow Clan? Or what are we in? Oh, look who showed up. Don't be jealous. Jealous of what? Whoop. Pearl Paul. Your sister jealous because I was taken on patrol today. After the first patrol, she hasn't gotten to go on another one. What? She hasn't got to go another patrol? After what she told me earlier? It looks like Foxtail worries about you too much, Tint Paul. Maybe you should go talk to him about that. I won't even mention this. He will not listen to me. She's right. I've seen that myself. Foxtail really guilty what happened if he sent Paul to bring him along to the border. Even while hunting, he watches her closely in any monitor. She doesn't let her go further than 5 or 6 tails away. Elder Worlds find it odd, like some of them trying to change his mind, but he won't listen. We need to talk to First Star and Night Star. I knew Night Star was a Shadow Clan deputy. Well, not deputy, but a leader. Believe, correct me if I'm wrong. I think he omitted in there 40. Foxtail is going crazy, and he gets closer to the age of an elder. Tint Paul first patrol didn't go very well. She was too young back then, and she was only a small kid, fresh out of the nursery, who was exploring the world of musically. I decided to cross Shadow Clan borders right here, Foxtail calling over her. Once he followed Tint Paul, he got into his sickness, which a Shadow Clan patrol. After that, she was punished. Foxtail understood that he is not easy to set his camp up, but showed other clan and that Thunder Clan doesn't really care about the rules. I thought Shadow Clan didn't care about the rules. Actually, yes. When Blue Star was around, Shadow Clan did care about the rules. Everything I didn't know they didn't. No. After what happened long ago, Tint Paul organized with her behavior. We gotta grab something before Foxtail may come soon. Even Bushford, he won't make a change for the others. Max meets again. You took some food from the fresh kill pile. I choose a fat first. My belly was full and I felt warm, spinning all over my body. Sitting well in the sun and listening to Stone Paul and Tint Paul talking, I started to fall asleep. Ice wind burns my muzzle. I'm near the fortress. Mom, we don't have blue pelt. We don't have much time. Tint Paul listened carefully. Remember what I say. Alright. Snow will burst into your life, or of our clan. and trouble will follow. You mean it's going to snow and trouble will come, the river will overflow? So what are you talking about? When it comes, the river will overflow. Hey, Purple Paw, wake up. You finished eating and I fell asleep. How long was I asleep? Just a couple minutes while we were talking. You don't look very good. How do you feel? I'm not sure if I should tell St. Paul that my dream about my lover. I need to discuss this with Blueberry Pelt. Yes. Maybe I got confused. How can snow destroy my clan? Overflowing rivers. I'm not stupid. I read the third book. The river overflowed like 12 times. This is like Sky Clan. No. I don't understand what clan are in. It's like back and forth. I'm serious. It's like, are they in Shadow Clan? Well, they cross Shadow Clan territory. They're not in Thunder Clan. Is this River Clan? Everything's alright. You two must help, by the way. You bring some mouse turtle and a medicine well. We go change the maps. Hi, Shaggy Fur, ready for to be defleed? You better get to the coffee. These fleas are pestering me. I don't have enough strength left. That's all I did. That's all. I did it. Cough, cough, thank you. Ooh, thank you. While picking out the fleas, I noticed Shaggy from the brain was heavily when he was coughing a lot. Told me I need medicine. Which one? Jumper. You're Shaggy Fur. This will help you breathe. Why waste pressure to an old cow like me? Cough, cough. Well, you're coughing a lot, and you should take this medicine. I am not that sick, though. Blueberry tells her to take it, so I won't argue with a medicine cat. Well, he agreed to take the drug. I was abusing the awful bubble ball. Go sweet dream, Shaggy Fur. Sundown already. Seems like the clan cats are worried about something. What's going on? It seems like Trite is giving birth. Blueberry Pelt is not with her. No. Blueberry Pelt. Where's the Blueberry Princess? Already started. I'll go and check and bring her some fresh moss and water from the brook. The first time I've seen what else Blueberry Pelt does. Half an hour later. Finally sober, Nada looking like the last born kid. Keep it warm. She gave birth to 3 kittens, 2 boys and 1 girl. I had to speedrun it because I can't make a video under 15 minutes. I didn't expect it to go as well expected. This birth was very difficult for Trisha. That's what I'm saying. Thank you, Sarkin, that Blueberry Pelt was there. She's an amazing medicine cat. Oh, wait, the Snow White kit. I'm looking, so it breathes. Now we can say that everything ended up well. But bird out words may be uneasy. Could snow mean that white kit? How does Sarkin know what a kit will be like in the future? Now that's a snowstorm. I'm happy that I managed to help you. Delivering kids is a very important in my dad's life. I'm glad you're such a smart and polite. You're going to be a great medicine cat. A half a moon passed. A beam of light was shining into the the medicine, then that means it's time to wake up. Blueberry Pal was already gone. She didn't tell me to do anything, so I'll go get breakfast. Night Star. Purple is Blue Pal in her den. He looks worried like something serious happened. No, she is not there. Where is she? I don't know. I woke up and she was gone. I haven't seen her around Camp Beaver. Maybe she went to collect some herbs and Oreos. Yes, unfortunately, you would pick up my son. Purple, he is sick. The leader did not say which son was sick, but I knew he was talking about Snowkit. He's definitely weird about him. So I'll do it. Head to the nursery. Quick. I was feeling a nice cars glaze at me. He was sitting at the entrance results of checking up. Scared Shisha and her 3 kids were in the nursery as well. Her eyes were open and they couldn't walk, but they were still clumsy. Snowkit is sick. He couldn't sleep at all last night, neither did we. At first I thought he was just crying, but now he's shivering too. Snowkit was shivering for real. I touched her nose, and my nose was in a Purple Pal. He has a fever. You should have woken Blueberry up immediately. But how did you know he would catch a cold or severe wound? I've been looking at him closely, searching for wounds, and eventually I found something odd, burns all over his body. They are like if adult cats get on their noses if they sleep in the sun for too long, but these burns are way more severe. Yesterday the kids left the nursery for the first time, right? Yes. Did Snowkit stay outside in the sun the longest? No, he was just playing with his brother and sister. Alright, give me a minute, I'll bring some herbs. What does he have? He has a fever. We don't have much time. I need to bring a medicine cat immediately. Ready to do them. I need to find herbs as soon as possible. I remember I saw it somewhere. My storage is low. Pearl Paw, what happened? I heard Blue Pellet's voice and I turned around. She was standing there, ordered with bulging leaves. Yes, Snowkit has a fever and he's shivering a lot, so it seems like he has a severe burn. Blueberry Pelt, I'm serious. Wait, did he bulge up? If I'll check the kit myself. She took some coconut out of a crack of the wall and ran towards the nursery. I had mixed feelings. Reason I wouldn't talk to Blueberry fully trust me, but I would leave. Blueberry Pelt is skillful healer. After all, the kid is safer rather than me. I bulge up sometimes. I set up bulge up. After some time, Blueberry Pelt came back and noticed a serious growl. Did something happen? Sometimes the only thing we can do is just pray Starcoin, but the kid won't wait for long. He has very little and too many birds. We don't have the herbs to help him. Did you notice the eye color? It's just not a white kitten, is it? Another disease. Oh God, no. Have you ever seen such kittens before? No, never. No lack of knowledge are divided into each other. There were kids like this before, and some of them even survived. That means everything isn't that bad. There must be a way to help him, right? Don't even think about it. We can't bail the cat the risk of our warriors for just one kitten. It's impossible, even though it's really sad. But your monitor has told you, hasn't he? You need to tell me the last thing to be a medicine cat. Alright, listen. Sometimes Tulips have a special plant in their nest. With the plant juice helps sunburns. It has spice all over which crave juice. I exactly know what you're talking about. Squirrel. It's dangerous to sneak into Tulips' nest. Besides, you never seen a plant not every like as Tulip has. This is really severe looking of no choice. The silence broke with a rumble. Well, if that's it, can I have breakfast? Sure. I was about to catch a mouse when Stonepaw came to me. Have you seen Nicer? He's going to the nursery. Has something happened? Long story short, his son's really sick. Night Star looks very anxious. Well, yeah, I don't like it. What the fuck on our clan is the bird delicious mouth. Blah blah blah. The reason, blah blah blah, swallow whole, blah blah blah, take your time, wait for making fun of me. I'm not a minute, I rap. The Blueberry Pal thinks Snow Kid will make it. I believe she's mistaken. With all due respect, I'm sure Blueberry Pal has more experience than you, even though I thought I'll be if the kids had lived a long life. Two-Leg had a special plan about heal Snow Kid, but there's nothing like that in the forest. Yeah, I can get that herb no matter what. Just please don't tell anyone about the clan about this. It seems like I have to leave for some time. Are you understand? You think it's better to sit around and wait until the kitten dies? No, but it's too dangerous. Bring somebody along at least. Like me, for example. And me. Eavesdropping is bad. But you won't have any secrets keeping from me, do you? Tessa Paul started laughing loudly. Yeah, but she won't even doesn't catch attention. Looking dangerously lucky there was no one. Guys, be quiet. I'm pretty sure I'll get in trouble if anyone finds out. And I don't want to get you guys in trouble. We'll stay with you anyways. If anything happens, we'll take responsibility. You're right. We can't let a kid die even with a chance to help him. Where can we find this magical plant? Where do we go? To the gardens. I wanted to do that, but I think it's a speed. Not every Two-Leg has this thing. So it's likely we noticing breaking into someone's garden pretty quickly. I have an idea. Do you think you like it? What's the idea? There's a huge Two-Leg farm a bit further than one clan territory. But there's more plants there in that garden and more chances to hide. How do you know about that? I heard warrior stories back then. I wasn't even allowed to go on patrol. But what happened to Wind Clan? Do you think they're blind or something? Paul, you're just still applying. This is not a medicine cat. You can't pretend you're going to the moon still all alone. Well, we need to get along for the edge and festival. We will go on the edge in this impossible. Whatever. I gotta hurry. I can't make another video because. How long has this video been? Well, we better go right now. Blah, blah, blah. I gotta hurry for this video. I can't do a new video on her. Yes. Kid's name is Thomas. When you call your owner right, Thomas. Why did you play in English short out of firebeds? I see no million mock in this voice. A special herb, a what herb? The sick kitten is a special herb until we come to get it. Can you tell me what the herb is so I can help you? Giving up all pins spikes healing juice. And that's it. You don't even know. I started laughing. I didn't. There's a lot of swing spikes except for the ones in the forest. Stop blocking this. I know where your points is cause out of here. My Two-Legs have it in our garden, but they have it through internet. There's no way you can get it well for me. If I fall, I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's probably go back to the tent. Oh my god. But I know my friends came to the camp later than them. And this was so blood when I came back, my heart was beating madly. All of Thunder King was finding the River Queen cats. What? Okay, what River Queen? All around me, the ground was sticky with puddles of blood. Warriors of both squads were fighting against the ocean. Oh God. There was a fight near the medicine den. I hurried. River was covered in wounds, but I sit back. But Sandstorm was still going to get stronger. I slung my claws into the back of her neck. Ha! Look, what have you got here, Kit? Do you think you really can take me on? No. Run. Just wanted me to help, but I fell dead and faint. Naruto stronger than pinned me down to the floor, not letting me move. At least I remember very painful things. I bit into my neck in the scuffling. I woke up in the Star Clan. They gave me a very warm welcome. I finally got to talk to my mother again. It's a shame now I can watch my friends. Stone Paw and Tipsy Paw were moaning over me like crazy, just like Blueberry Paw. Thank Star Clan that they recovered from my loss. Alvira helped Snow Kit. He survived without being in the sun for so long. It was bad for him. After that, the fox still stopped trusting to Snowball. Right away, her warrior name is Tinfer. She and Snowfur were already kids together. And that's where my story comes to the end. There's different endings, I would like to say. Different endings. And see, I'll show you achievements. No, goodbye, my friend, different achievements. And that means different ending, all the endings. So, yes. I have got all the endings. So, yes. Well, I'm going to be deleting the game because I don't have enough save storage to make this video. So, bye guys.